Set clear goals and KPIs and use UTM parameters. Monitor cost per acquisition and calculate customer lifetime value. As we can see from the data on the screen, the trend is clearly upward. This is a key takeaway. As you can see on the screen, this metric has improved by 15%. This directly impacts our strategy moving forward. We're about to take number 1 in explanation on this topic. My name is Linda. Please subscribe, follow for more. Clearly define your goals before measuring ROI. Tracking ROI starts with setting clear. Without goals, you cannot determine success or failure. Digital tools allow us to track and measure our progress. Our marketing goals include increasing website traffic, generating leads, and boosting brand awareness. These strategies will drive our growth. Our first goal is boosting online sales. Second, growing our email subscribers. And third, improving brand awareness. This strategy drives our revenue growth. It boosts conversions by 25% and increases customer engagement. As you can see, these changes drive a 25% revenue uplift, and engagement metrics like conversions show similar gains. For lead generation, the formula Y must be equals revenue from leads minus campaign cost divided by campaign cost. For lead generation, the formula Y must be equals revenue from leads minus campaign cost divided by campaign cost of qualified leads converted into paying customers. Clear goals help you focus on. We often chase vanity metrics like likes or views, but meaningful metrics like conversion rates and customer lifetime value are what truly drive growth. That's the end of numbers 1, now 2. My name is Linda. Please subscribe, follow for more. The true cost of digital marketing isn't just your ad spend. It's the time, talent, and testing to make it work. To calculate ROI accurately, you must know exactly how much you are spending. Ad spend is our largest investment, followed by content creation costs and software tools. Agency fees and influencer partnerships round out the plan. This includes payments, email platforms, and even staff salaries related to marketing. Many of these costs are significant. This includes payments, email platforms, and even staff salaries related to marketing. Many of these costs are significant. Let's examine the operational expenses. A complete cost breakdown ensures that your ROI is both achievable and sustainable. The calculation reflects the real performance of your digital marketing campaigns. It's crucial for understanding true campaign effectiveness. The calculation reflects the real performance of your digital marketing campaigns. This ensures our strategies are based on accurate, real-world data. This approach strengthens your digital marketing campaigns and prevents misleading results. By focusing on accurate tracking, we ensure reliable data for your decisions. That's the end of number 1. Now 2, my name is Linda. Please subscribe, follow for more. That's the end of number 2. Now 3, my name is Linda. Please subscribe, follow for more. Basic digital marketing ROI formula is net profit divided by market hundred. This gives you the return on investment as a percentage. To calculate ROI, use this formula, equals revenue minus marketing costs divided by marketing costs times 100. This formula helps you see how much profit you are making from your marketing. You take your revenue, subtract the cost, and divide by the cost. For example, if you spend $100,000 on ads and generate $300,000 return, that's a 3x return on investment. The revenue, your ROI is 200%. Using this formula consistently allows you to compare. To maximize returns, we test different campaigns. According to performance, we can determine which approach produces the highest returns. That's the end of number 3. Now 4. My name is Linda. Please subscribe, follow for more. We can track conversions effectively with tools like Google Analytics and Meta Ads. This data helps us optimize our campaigns and improve our ROI. And email marketing dashboards allow you to track conversions such as track conversions with analytics tools like Google Analytics, Meta Ads Manager, and email marketing. Dashboards allow you to track conversions such as purchases, form submissions, and other key actions. Submissions, downloads, or signups. Conversion tracking connects marketing activities to real business outcomes. First, we'll set up our goals and events. This dashboard shows which campaigns and channels are working and the top keywords driving traffic are driving results. This data-driven approach eliminates guesswork and helps you invest more in high-performing strategies. As you can see, these strategies consistently outperform the